Hi everyone and welcome to today's video, and as you guys have read in the title, I will be reorganizing my makeup. I still have so much makeup in those boxes, and as you can see there are so many things that I wanted to fix. Now I already love this, however it's pretty, it's Instagrammable that I know of, but they are getting very dusty. If you guys are working all the time and when you get home you just want to rest, you don't want to clean. Look at Princess. Look at her. So yeah, that is the scenario right over there, and the reason why my table is far apart from the mirror is because that's where I put my tripod. So I have two special guests, Sparky and Princess, and they will help me for today's project. So let's go ahead and start. So actually Jondrae doesn't even want to drive me to the store because he doesn't want me to buy stuff. So I said, like, you know what, you ain't gonna get this booty. 10 seconds, we're already there, girl. I have been wanting to fix this makeup room for the longest time. However, I was trying to get an Alex drawer, but you know what, I saw these at Walmart and these are only $3.80, something like that, but it's like super cheap, I'm telling you. And what's cool about this collapsible storage bin is that it has a window. So also the cube organizer wherein my makeup is at right now, you can actually get that at Walmart as well for less than $40. Like, how affordable all of these things are. So you will be surprised on how much space that you are going to get. And when you just look at the bin itself, you already know that you can put so much stuff on it, and this is going to be your base. Let me just put everything aside, and it also comes along with this free pack of poison. Give this to your enemy. I'm just kidding, please don't do that. The installation of this is pretty damn easy. It's no rocket science. You just, open it up, put the base, there you go. Make sure that you have that little thingy exposed so that when you're cleaning it, you can just remove that and, pat it off to remove any dust or pigment or whatnot, or whatever you're gonna put. So I'm just making sure that everything is nicely placed, and you know what, this is not flimsy at all. Like, I was expecting it to be like super duper flimsy, but it's not. So I'm gonna get my palettes from the cube organizers one by one and put them directly here slowly. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to expose what I want people to see when they visit me. Like, for example, look, I'm putting all of my Too Faced palettes up in the front, but also gonna make sure that everything is organized, even if it's, it's not just for whatever you see outside. I'm gonna make sure that the inside is very nicely organized as well. By the way, I still don't have the Naked Heat. I kind of want to buy that just, for collection purposes. So just gonna stack them really nice, and this way they won't get, dusty. So what I'm gonna do for the bins is that, for example, on this one, it is all eyeshadow palettes. On the other bins, it is going to be like contour and highlight. And then on another bin, it's going to be like foundations and primers, so on and so forth. So it's like every bin has its own category, if I make sense. So which is nice because you have that circle window, so you can pretty much see what you're gonna get. So yeah. Now I'm going to show you guys what are inside the boxes that are stacked. I know you guys are a little curious about it, so I'm going to show you. So I have some palettes right over there just sitting, and it's harder for me to reach them because they're all stacked up, and I'm like lazy opening up one by one and switching them around, which one is on top, which one is at the bottom. Do you know what I mean? So I still have like a lot of Makeup Revolution palettes. In my opinion, they are very good. I'll be doing a makeup collection video soon if you guys want. And the reason why I'm not making like a makeup collection video, as you guys can see, this is pretty much all of the makeup that I have. It's not like a Jaclyn Hill makeup collection. So even though my makeup collection is little, I'm still very proud of it because I got it from my hard-earned money. So when I was just starting out, I have to admit, like when I was young, I was always been jealous, but in a good way, that these YouTubers have like a lot of makeup, and I've always wished, like, you know what, I wish someday. Just some personal thoughts. I never really thought that I would be able to afford all of these, especially when I was just growing up. I thought that this is all gonna be all up in my dreams, and I just feel very blessed, and I just want to thank God for turning my life around and giving me these opportunities. And I think the reason why I'm here is because I have a purpose, and I'm still figuring out what kind of purpose that is. So I just feel very blessed every time I buy these types of makeup, because makeup is my happiness. And I have a bunch of lashes right over here. Yeah, girl, Allure should be like sponsoring me by now, girl. I'm such a huge fan of their eyelashes. You could tell, girl. Obviously, I'm a lash girl, and probably the reason why some of you guys are saying like you put lashes so effortlessly. I put lashes almost every day, girl, because I don't have any lashes. If there's one thing that I'm not really interested in, that would be mascara, because I've already given up on that shit, girl. That doesn't do anything to me. Where was I when God was like giving away long lashes? I was probably sleeping or something. I don't know. By the way, guys, I am so sorry if I say some bad words sometimes, like unpleasant words like shit, something like that. I feel like as every day goes by, I'm being more comfortable than ever when it comes to... I feel like I'm more of like me now. Compared when I was watching my videos back then, I was like, ew, why am I talking like that? I sounded like a little chicken. You know, like, hi, everyone, please. I sounded like that. I was like, what the heck? So as you make videos every day, you're gonna feel like you're more comfortable. Sparky and Princess won't go away. I don't know why. Like, they legit just look at me. So let me just show you the before. I love it how we were just chit-chatting and then all of a sudden I'm done. But realistically, I did this for like 3 hours and a half, and I'm so exhausted right now. And the best part of today is that Sparky and Princess peed on my blanket. Awesome. Are you guys ready? So what do you guys think? Honestly, I feel like I can put more and more stuff now. I still have like one box vacant, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using that in the future because as my collection grows. So the frog stuffed toy and the unicorn, I got that when it was Jondrae's birthday. That bin is my PR bin, and let me show you guys what it actually looks like on the inside. I mean, you guys pretty much know already what it looks like inside, but by the way, at the bottom there's this little thingy right over here that you can pull so that you can take out the box, but I don't want to expose that because I feel like iffy about it, so I usually just hide it at the bottom. So you have your highlight and contouring palettes right over here, so it won't focus. I love it. It won't focus. There you go. And then let's move on to another one. Now these are all eyeshadows as well. Sorry if I can't open and close them gracefully because this camera, I'm using a DSLR right now, and it's so freaking heavy. So we got your foundations over here, and then my brushes and my lashes that I have organized. Love it. Love, and I can put so much more. and this one is empty. I'm still gonna figure out what I'm gonna put like new makeup there. So I have a lot of drugstore eyeshadow palettes right over here, some ColourPop and Makeup Revolution. Here you go. And then I have my hair care right over here. I actually don't want to put hair care on here, but you know, it's gonna look like so empty if I don't put anything right over here. But my hair care has its own place. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. And let me show you guys a little bit about here. So these are mostly for eyebrows and primers. And then the next shelf is some beauty blenders and some loose powders. I'm showing you guys this one because you're probably gonna say like, why didn't you even? So these are all lip products, liquid lipsticks, lip balms, lip glosses. And then this is an extra space where I put my extra tripod, extra empty palettes, my batteries, all of that camera stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna walk far so you can see and visualize what this looks like. And on this side, yeah, so on that side I'm planning to put a very large mirror, and I just can't wait. So that's everything, guys. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and as always, please subscribe. I will see you guys next time.